In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you remove Facebook account from other devices. If you want to remove Facebook account from other devices, you have to watch this video right till the end. So here, you actually want to open up your Facebook application and log into your account. After you're logged in, what next you want to do is click on the menu bar in the top right corner of your screen. Go to the gear icon and click on the settings, after which you simply want to go to see more in account center. Then here, you actually want to scroll down a bit and go to password and security. Then here as well, you want to scroll down, go to the section of security check. Underneath, you want to click on where you're logged in. Then you want to select the particular account that your account is logged in. You could see these are the devices. Now you want to select the devices to logged out or to log out. You want to do it and click on the logout button. If you're sure about it, you want to click the logout. So a verification code will be sent and you'll have successfully logged out of your Facebook account after you're done entering it. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.